In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly in Framer. By the end, you'll have a fully embedded scheduling widget on your page, so visitors can book time without ever leaving your site. Start by opening your Framer project. With the canvas visible, make sure you're on the page or section where you want the booking widget to appear. Next, open the Insert menu. You'll find it in the left toolbar. From there, browse the categories until you see Forms and Embeds. We'll be using the Calendly option that lives in the Embeds area. Before you place it, select the frame or section on your canvas where the widget should live. This ensures Framer drops the component exactly where you want it. Now pick Calendly from Embeds and add it to the canvas. Once it's selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel. Here, set your Calendly scheduling link in the component settings so it points to the correct booking page. Let's fine-tune the layout. Open Position in the right panel and choose how the embed sits in its parent frame. If you want it to stretch, pin it to the left and right edges. If you prefer a centered block, keep it centered with comfortable margins. Open size and set dimensions that feel natural. A common pattern is 100% width with a fixed height large enough to show the calendar without excessive scrolling. You can always preview and adjust. Open Overlays to confirm the embed appears above any decorative layers. If something overlaps, raise its order so the widget remains fully visible and clickable. In Cursor, choose how the pointer should behave when hovering. For an interactive embed like Calendly, leaving it as the default usually feels right, but a pointer can help signal interactivity. Move to Styles. While the embed's internal UI comes from Calendly, you can style the container around it. Add padding, a subtle background, or a border radius to match your design system. Open transforms only if you need precise tweaks. Avoid scaling the embed itself. Keeping it at 100% prevents blurriness or clipping. If your page uses multiple sections, check Scroll Section to ensure the embed sits in the correct scrollable area, especially if you're using sticky headers or split sections. For advanced setups, open Code Overrides. You might use an override to switch links or control visibility, but keep overrides minimal so the embed remains stable. When everything looks good, click Publish. Framer will push your changes live. After publishing, visit the live page, run a quick test booking, and confirm everything loads smoothly. If you need to adjust spacing or size, return to the editor